Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing great. Guys, today I will tell all the body parts name. It's very important organs that I will tell you. Okay, let's start. First, our eyes. Here is our eyes, aankh. Eyes, aankh, and it is our eyelashes. It's our eyelashes. It's our eyebrows. Next, nose. Nose, naak. Naak. Next, head, sar. Baal, hairs. Baal, hairs. Haunt, lips. Haunt, lips. Teeth, mouth and tongue. Okay? Tongue means zuban, teeth mean dant, and lips mean haunt. It's our gal, mean cheeks, and it's our chin. It's our chin. Here's our two ears. Here's kaan. Okay. Next, it is our neck. Gardan. It's our neck. It's Urdu gardan. Next, it is our arm. We have two arms, and it is our elbow. That is joint. It helps us to move our arm, bend, all things. Okay. And here is our hands. We have fingers and thumb, one thumb, and four fingers, two thumbs. Nails. It's our nails, hands, fingers, thumbs. Next, it's our heart. Here on left side, it's our lungs that help us to breathe. ये हमें सांस लेने में मदद करते हैं. It's our stomach. Okay, it's our kidneys. Kidneys, and it's our belly. And here is a one button. It's very important organ. Okay, belly button. It's named belly button. Next, it's our leg. Okay, it's our leg. It's our knees. Okay. Next, it's our foot. Okay, and it is an ankle here. Okay, it says it's named ankle, and we have total 10 fingers on foot and on hands. There are total 10 fingers on hands and 10 fingers on foot. Okay guys, do you like over this video? So please like, subscribe and share. Okay, bye.